Hey everyone, it's Paul Akers. You know, it's the end of the year, 2020. What a crazy year. I know that most of us would say they don't want to repeat it. I know I don't want to repeat it, except for one thing. It was a good year for me to learn to reflect on how grateful I am that I'm even alive. Because I had a tough time this year. I got stung by a bee, almost died. I got burned up in a fire. And I spent a lot of time with my mom this year. My mom's 95 and just restoring her health and really being grateful for the time that I do have. And nothing makes that more poignant than Norman Bodak. You know, father of lean in the United States, brought all of Taichi Ono and Sakeo Shingo's information and translated their books into English to the United States. And he was a dear, dear friend of mine, my mentor, and I considered him my second father. I talked to Norman all the time, and it was just a beautiful experience. I traveled all over the world with him. And now he's gone. I can't pick up the phone. I can't send Norman a Voxer message. Hey, Norman, what do you think of this? Or Norman can't call me and say, Paul, I want you to be involved in this project. Or, Paul, I'm going to India. You want to go with me? That's over with. Paul, I'm going to Grenada. You want to go with me? No, it's over. So 2020 has really caused me to be very mindful of the beautiful people I have in my life, whether it be Norman Bodak, my mother, to spend time with them, and to be grateful for every breath that has been given me. I'm 60 years old. I'm lucky I'm still alive. I'm lucky I got 60 years. Not everybody does. And I'm really lucky if I get to be 89 like Norman. Or 95 like my mom. It just causes me to not waste any time. Life is for living now, not for saying mañana, tomorrow. What are you doing right now to pursue excellence? What are you doing right now to encourage other people in your life? What are you doing right now to inspire other people to improve? What are you doing right now to help other people learn about the beauty of continuous improvement? One of my greatest journeys has been restoring my mom's health, walking with her 3 or 4 times a day, having her eat good food, getting her out of the chair, getting her out into a beautiful environment, taking her to restaurants at 95, doing all the things you wouldn't normally do. That has literally been the joy of my life, the time I spent with my mom this year. You've seen a lot of the videos. And really, I reflect on the time that I had with Norman, the joy of my life, traveling to India with him, and having him at Fast Camp, and going to Grenada with him, and just spending time in Japan. You know, most of you don't know that the Japan study mission is because of Norman. Norman's the one that opened my eyes to Japan at a very high level, to the beauty of what the Japanese were doing. I owe it all to Norman. So as 2020 comes to a close, my heart is full, my heart is grateful, and my heart is seizing every moment with the meaningful people and the important people in my life. No mañana, no tomorrow. It's now. Have a great year. Thanks a lot.